That's your car? That's your car, auntie?
Yeah.
So go, bye.
She look good, the girl cutie.
Lucifer! Come off of the Derek Live, Jesus.
Michael Abrams, a well-known gynecologist, but cast in a fake video as a cardiologist.
Welcome, burritos. It's a Friday. Welcome to the Friday countdown. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do the yoki pokey, wanna be my love? All right, that's it. Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 5 social media countdown because you know say it's a Friday, so a weekend in another one baka lay and probably I get ready for go out and probably go watch a little Netflix series, something, okay? And what a show everybody I talk about on Netflix, Supercell, I'll know when I watch it. I can't wait to go and jump into it because everybody I talk about it, but I don't know nothing about the show yet. Let me know in the comments if you think it is actually a good watch. Well, we'll have a few topics to go jump into, so let's get into the Friday countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 5, bad girl Giselle. Me rough. Our burritos know, so there is a social media content creator that has been taking storm because of her dog, her animal. And it's not just a regular little mongrel dog. She is treating this dog like a child, like a human being, properly adorning him in all kind of little jewelry and fandaggles and clothing. Take a look.
Someone know me, Giselle outside. Cute, no, she not hot.
Let's go shopping. Go, girls.
Later.
Bye.
After in the streets.
Right there. Uber already here? The Uber come? Okay. Take your time, auntie. Take your time. That's your car? That's your car, auntie?
Yeah.
So go, bye.
She look good, the girl cutie. Rub the pin under your fear, you girl, I'll let you sit down for your head, girl. Come, girl, go in a Uber. Come true. Hot girl is here, Murder! Antonia, Giselle in a tiger. Mercy!
You really up on my video and see me about my slippers and dress up. Giselle can't come here.
Yeah, Giselle can't. Girl, come here, auntie.
Giselle can't slap me.
Murder!
You put the carrot Giselle for come.
You are your auntie and twin girl.
The angel, you put the carrot for come.
All the girl nails too. Watch eyebrow. Watch clip up. Real girl know real things. As a top girl, Giselle. What up, that?
And that's not the first time, like, she has been parading him around. She did all get one of the little walking things and where, you put baby in her.
Yeah, Giselle, your father by your walk, that no bad. Yeah, girl, my dad saying you pull a frog. You flip up skirts, you so. Yeah, I have to learn for walk, Giselle. I have to learn for walk. But can't have it on every day. This now go work. I stop me and now go work. I love how your father bring the walker, you come here, girl. You can't hold it, Giselle. Giselle. Murder, Giselle, walk out now, walker. Giselle. And my daughter, them can't hold it. Yeah, girl, this is a long time. Murder. Whoa, back it up. Forward, Giselle, round there. Yeah, girl, Giselle love this, but I like. Giselle love this.
For help them for, walk better. Oh my God, like, honestly, I don't know about girl, like, I'm sure I have a family of her own because honestly, the way how she give Giselle princess treatment, it don't look bad if she have Pitney and not treat them the same way. But I think she is just like a personality, and I just love seeing her content with the dog. Let me know, Berritos, do you treat your pets in this type of high standard? Sound off below. Number 4, IG After Dark. Me channel 22. Big up the people that who know about that, because some people, you don't remember those days, man. When you watch TV and so the channel just moved from 21 gone at 23, and you get curious in your mind and you say, yo, I want to go on right there. So, and when you take a snack, I saw you see zigzag line, you have to squeeze and see if you can make out a little. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Not that me really did, you know, a part of them type of days, but me hear about it. I've read about it at, what you call those places? Libraries. Yeah, man, I did some read about them something. I never know about Channel 22 for myself. I never know about not knowing name, the magazine, hard, I never know about them something there. What I know about, what you say name? Hard copy. What was that? What was it? You're telling me that there was content like that online back in the day? Wow, that is crazy. Cannot relate. Well, anyway, Berritos know, so Instagram did a go on with itself last night after some glitch in the system with the new update, and there were many body parts and what you call it, explicit content being seen on the social media platform. And of course, you know, Jamaican people have to jump in and to react on the chaos. Take a look.
Oh my God, I just love the excitement when Instagram come on with it now. I just don't never sleep in my life, because right about now, I have to kill myself, go over Twitter. I can just access to everything right here. I have to dig up in a Chroma, type in XX, the POR, all star, everything on Oxford for Instagram now, you know. So I have the time to kill myself, go so far. Everything is there. The only problem I have is that if I like the video, all of my followers and my system and they like it, which I don't give one fuck, you know. Because guess what? This is my page and I like whatever I like. I don't want to see one just duck. We don't know about right now. That ugly one I know on Instagram. Only thing is that we're pitting them one side now. We're gonna see it. We just go one side, put on phone. When no graduate, when take up phone. I mean, we didn't have it easy now, but right about now, I'm loving what they're bringing on Instagram. It's so amazing. Can you imagine what is going on? Sala, Oxo, everything I fling out. Oh my God!
Let me introduce you to the roughness king. How are you ride on the ticky and a wine on the tucky and a ride on the ticky and a just tick tock. How are you ride on the ticky and a wine on the tucky and a ride on the ticky and a just tick tock. How are you ride on the ticky?
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Lucifer! Come off of the Derek Live, Jesus. Lucifer.
No, one thing, you know, Jamaican people not gonna leave no conversation past them. Like, what I forgot give with 2 cents? We are a nation of the compulsory giving 2 cents. So, Berritos, just let me know you saw it. What did you make of the festivities? Leave a comment down below. Number 3, AI Abraham. Our burritos know, so there's a lot of conversation as it relates to AI technology taking over. Is it for good or is it for bad? And you know, say, all when it's for good, once you bring in Jamaican people and certain people with a particular mindset, we're going to try for like chop a little here, some chop a little there, so. And it seems as if, you know, Dr. Gynecologist Michael Abrahams has been a victim. He's a part of a new scam that is using his face and his likeness and his voice to basically promote to a particular demographic. And trust me, people, some scary times are ahead. Take a listen to this new story.
And I don't speak with that accent. It sounds like a robotic English accent.
Michael Abrams, a well-known gynecologist, but cast in a fake video as a cardiologist, promoting a treatment for hypertension called Blood God. Thing is, Blood God doesn't exist, and the sales pitch just a scam.
Not only did they create a video of me, they created one of Judy Mowat, the singer, saying that I treated her and I cured her.
At 52, I was diagnosed with hypertension. The main problem of my illness is that there are no medicines in the pharmacy that could help me. It was Dr. Michael Abrahams. He was able to give me a clear diagnosis.
The hurtful thing is that if you don't know me, fine, but there are people who know me who think it's really me. And they think that Judy's endorsing this and it has nothing to do with us.
What was your reaction when you saw that version of Michael Abrams?
I totally freaked out.
Clogged blood vessels can be your killer. My name is Dr. Michael Abrahams. I have been studying heart and vascular problems for 14 years now. This drug cannot be found in pharmacies due to pharmaceutical companies that profit from long and expensive treatment. Currently, the drug can only be purchased directly from the manufacturer on the official website.
The first person I know of who got scammed, she saw the ad, thought it was really very good, and decided to buy a bottle for her mother. So she goes online to buy one bottle for $39.99. They charge her for 5 bottles, which is about $200 US. And her money is gone.
So what to do about AI-generated scams like bogus Blood God? Apparently, not much at present. But Abrams has contracted a computer specialist to track the scammers.
So you notice how we've gone from human beings to cars, persons, clocks. There's actually an elaborate scheme. They are choosing high-level doctors from around the Caribbean. Unfortunately, Dr. Abrams was chosen. So we're trying to find where they are by using their internet footprint.
Anuel operates CrimsonTide.ai.
We build intelligence systems.
And that covers a lot, from object detection to real estate avatars.
Everything in terms of artificial intelligence. The future is about artificial intelligence.
No, honestly, that is wild. Them fully have the doctor face in there, you know. And the voice, even though it doesn't sound 100% like him, like if I were probably somebody who knows so affair with like the social media happenings, I would have probably, you know, think say him and him promote this product and might buy into it. And so it's crazy. Like fully crazy. Like honestly, boy, your boy, I know that they're using AI to even clone artists' voice and you can tap into their likeness and how they create their content. But like some scary times ahead. So I'll say burritos, and for the older people who watch, you have to be, you know, have to keep up. Because them all have a scam right now where them all will take you out of your pitney vice and use the pitney vice to come and say, yo, send 100,000 to me. And you think you talk to your child or you talk to your girlfriend or your wife or your husband and go do the do. And now realize as AI technology being used to mimic your loved one's voice. So burritos, just let me know. Scary times ahead? Yeah or nay? Number 2, pet name flub. Alright, burritos know. So I saw this video, I guess it's a Vox Pop Street interview with Mad White Jamaican, and he decided to go around and ask people, you know, what are their pet names, and me not think the brother didn't quite understand the question. Watch.
Jamaican nickname?
We're doing decorators.
No, what do you have a Jamaican nickname? What's your Jamaican nickname?
Paid Center.
What's that?
Paid Center.
Paid Center?
Yes.
Paid or PF Center?
PF.
No, what's your Jamaican nickname? You have a nickname. Let's say you're playing football and a man say, you know, matches come here or fingers come here. What's your Jamaican nickname?
Football.
But I actually try to wonder what him they think him here. That is the one where baffle me. Up to now, me don't know what the brother you did that think in a theme brain. Because me are like, is it that he misunderstood? What did he think Mad White did I ask him? Any suggestions, Berrydos, can let me know in the comments one of the things that he felt that he was being asked. Sound off below.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
That's what you just said a while ago.
I'm not poor. I'm not rich. I'm regular.
You're regular?
And number one goes to Digicel ad. Yes! Wow! Digicel, if you ask this, give me a promotion. Ray, pay me. Woo! All right, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the new Digicel ad for the Olympic Games. And of course, it has starred a para-athlete as well as the legend herself, Shelly and Fraser Price.
In a world where our dreams sometimes seem so far away, Digicel is the partner that brings us all together. One side, one goal. One Digicel. One Jamaica.
Absolutely incredible performance.
And trust me, people, this ad was definitely well executed. Whosoever did got carried out, give them a bonus just because them need a whole little gold medal bonus on top of what they got already. It was very nicely executed. I liked it. It just made me feel very proud to be Jamaican, and you know, it definitely built the momentum leading into next month's Olympic Games. And like a part of that ad that I have to just like talk about, you know, you have the brother with him Jamaican colored clocks and all of that. But you see what stole the show? Of course, it's going to be the dolly herself, Shelly and Fraser Price, and that very legendary hair flip. Because you have girl when girl at them flip them ear, but you see the ear flip turn round there, Shelly and shell that. You can tell so she had practice in her mirror from 2 weeks before them even shoot that video there. Like, honestly, Shelly, we're gonna just miss Shelly on the track. Like all of the wigs, all of the effervescence and the personality and the charm and the interviews, we're gonna miss it. She says it's our final Olympic Games. I don't want it happen. Me don't want it happen because boy, oh boy. We can't see about the air flip again. Yeah, man, that is it right there. So, and then shortly after, Shelly and definitely took to her social media on Facebook to make people know this message. All right, so Shelly said, Paris PSA, oblique civil Paris PSA, oblique civil is under no obligation to assist with my wig collection, but I am hoping my fellow male teammates will see their input as a national duty. Julian, make sure the camera eye properly this time. Whatever I laugh is, we can't really catch a laugh. And then she, of course, put in Digicel, cue the Olympic spirit, all of that. And boy, Shelly, the hairstyle, it is definitely a saying, Jamaica 60. We have how much now? Jamaica, how much now? We all. Jamaica, how much now? We all, Jamaica. Like, wait, Jamaica, we are born in a night, if 1962 we have independence and we're in a 2024 now, then Jamaica is currently, you call yourself, there's 3, and then you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you call yourself this. We're supposed to be about 89 years old. So congratulations, Jamaica, on 89 years of independence. Wow. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of yet another social media countdown. You know, say Friday's our top 5. You know, thank you so much once again. I have an announcement to make next week, so look forward to that social media countdown. I'm like, so I did watch the recent countdown and get it to so much views in 24 hours. Love the support. All right, so just do like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Of course, leave your comments down below so I can look and fast and hear your thoughts on the conversation as well. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, don't hesitate to shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.